Hello everyone. Important updates. Attention all founders. Hello ofounder. Urgent message. Good day to all our founders. The new ofounder back office will launch soon. I would like November 2021 was very energetic. Was very powerful. It was very mind-blowing, and we can say that we have seen a glimpse of the founder of his website, which he showed us the demo of it on the private server, then got the experience in a very tremendous way. But then in one thing, I would like to tell you here that we all need to keep our patience a little patient, because what many people will do when they search on Google, then do not search anything, because Mr. Ash told that login like you used to do with the same login. You will log in to gofounder itself, you will be automatically redirected from gofounder itself. We will be automatically redirected. Ofounder is okay. Now when that process will be done, do not worry about it at all, as it was told that we will decide this thing with our tech engineer. The preparation is complete, but when will we come from gofounder to ofounder, we also know will not work. Well, then you don't need to search anyone on Google about the meaning of ofounder's website, or need to ask anyone. We will be redirected from gofounder to ofounder itself. We don't have to worry about any kind. We give all the glory to God. Too many messages are already being put in private. Many people have now seen the real thing with their own eyes. Ofounders has 6 product launches. O-Mail, O-Network, O-Trum, O-Lead, O-Tracker, O-Chat. This is unprecedented. Now the founders now want to have 10, 20, 30 in addition to what they have. Seeing is believing. This is a rare opportunity and a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Generational wealth is here, where you will never have to suffer again for the rest of your life. What about your dynasty? They are settled for life. I am excited. I am very excited. I am shedding tears of joy. All installers will be able to use the products. Ofounders launched with 6 products. The new Ofounders back office will launch shortly. Do this now. Log in to gofounders.net using your Onpassive email address and password. The new Ofounders will have a 2-step login procedure. 1. You will need to log in with your GoFounders email address and password. 2. Onpassive will send a one-time password, OTP, to your inbox. You will need to log in with your email address and OTP. My dear friends. So here's to all the founders, and the next journey we will all take. May it be one of good health, wealth, and happiness. Onpassive is a game changer that will revolutionize the entire online ecosystem. This game is on. And it's happening now. Whether you are or not, this beautiful company named Onpassive cannot be stopped. This is a complete deal. Things are changing every day. I am a winner. God bless us all. Become a founder. All the founders now keep getting updated by joining some webinar, certified YouTube, back office in the invaluable time left here. Thanks just for updating you all. Congratulations. Digital Future Founder, thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe, like, and share this with the ones you love. We are in it to win it.